Previously on the agency.
But you see, having the right female role model, and that's the problem.
I can definitely talk to her for you.
Daddy, no. Next thing, my friend them go think some woman that happy as a therapist.
Destiny, my name is Vanessa.
She inside?
She talk to somebody at the end.
Oh, she in there to talk to some.
Chris, you are needed. Miss me?
What?
Mikey, so where y'all going? I think today gonna be like a family day type of thing. That's what I asked you for.
No. You say you want to spend some time with your daughter. See her there. You deal with that.
But babe, I thought we were a family and we already there you already. So we are gonna go.
You man, sir. Me is supposed to have a different talking.
What a problem?
What the problem? Sometimes I have to wonder if you're alright, you know. It's almost a year now she not hear from you. And you just pop up so out of the blues like nothing happened.
Mikey, you're about to wrong things. I'm here right now. Isn't that enough?
You have one. Go and spend some time with your daughter. Me and you need to talk differently. Me circle back in the next 45 minutes.
Hello. Why you looking at me like that?
Because I'm still surprised, mom.
Surprised for what? You didn't expect to see me one day?
Honestly, mommy, I don't know. It's almost a year now I'm not hear from you.
That's only because mommy has been busy. You know, I've been taking care of business that will in the long run take care of you.
So that means you couldn't send a message or call?
Alright. So listen. One day when you get much older, mommy's gonna have all of these conversations with you so you can understand. But you won't understand right now.
I'm almost 12. You can't talk woman to woman.
Wait, what? Woman to woman. Wow. So 12 means you're a woman. Well, you're 12 now. You're in grade 6. Tell me what's going on at school.
Where do I start? Well, I'm a prefect. I help keep the one graders in line when the teachers are not there.
Nice.
And daddy took my first reading.
What? But why would he do that? You were so good at cheerleading.
Well, daddy same take me off of the team because I pay favoritism a go on. And say my put me on a better team.
Alright, so my thing is I'm not gonna overpower your father. He knows what he's doing. I think he knows what's best.
Mommy, you alright?
Yes, baby, I'm fine. But come Monday morning now,
You alright?
I'm fine. You know what? I think we should sit somewhere else. Let's go. And come Monday morning, I'm going to take you to school myself. Sit right here.
I'm not going to school on Monday.
What do you mean you're not going to school on Monday?
I got suspended
Suspended?
because my top little boy in my mouth.
You did what? Destiny, what happened?
Mommy, can't tell you another time. Repeat it too much.
Destiny, listen. You can't just go around and punch people like that unless they deserve it.
Trust my mommy. Him deserve it. Him call me names. And one time him even tell me to go suck my mother.
Really? That's what he said to you? And you only punch him one time?
Yeah. No, daddy have me take therapy session.
Therapy session. Your dad has you doing therapy session for defending yourself?
Him say me have to learn to control my anger.
Does your father understand that you were provoked and abused? You know what? I don't think so. Let me reward you for punching him in his mouth. Look at you. Oh, let's talk woman to woman. You're a grown woman now and still eating cotton candy.
I mean, but not gonna ever get big for cotton candy.
That's fine, princess. You'll always be my baby. And I must tell you, I love this color shirt on you.
Oh, Auntie Patsy did buy me it.